So I am unable to find a favorite recipe of mine. It was the only good thing I got out of my marriage. My ex-mother-in-law's incredible fricassee and sweet and sour meatball recipe. So what I have here, I am sauteing some meatballs in some olive oil. Back here I have a sauce, a sweet and sour sauce, and you can see a piece of chicken floating around in there and some dark and golden raisins. So after I'm finished sauteing my meatballs, I'm going to plop them gently into my sweet and sour sauce. After you've made your meatballs, which are about the size of ping pong balls, you want to place them into a skillet with some olive oil and just brown them until they're golden on the outside. Gently placing my meatballs that have been sauteed in olive oil into my sweet and sour tomato sauce. You want to cook your meatballs and your chicken fricassee for about an hour. I'm cooking it on the stove top, and you want to stir it often so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pot. You can serve it over rice or noodles. Doesn't this look yummy? Just like your Yiddish mama or your Jewish bubby used to make. Doesn't that look yummy? Just like your Yiddish mama or your Jewish bubby used to make. Yummy.